how to delete your bio on VK on Android or iOS phone. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to delete and remove your bio easy and quick. First open VK and then click on your profile here in the top corner, and after that click these 3 points and then click and then click edit profile, and here we'll find your bio. If you want to remove it, all you need to do just click on it, then remove it, and that's it. Now click this icon, don't forget to click this icon here. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, please don't forget to like and don't forget to subscribe, and thank you for watching this video until the end, and see you in the next video.